Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to get the shape, size, and dimension of a numpy array in Python. Especially when you have big data, it is necessary to be able to get the size and the dimension of your data that is stored in a numpy array. The size of an array is the total number of elements. The shape of an array represents the number of rows and the number of columns in that array. The dimension of an array tells you whether the array is a one-dimensional, two-dimensional, or three-dimensional array. Before we learn how to describe a numpy array, first we need to import the numpy library. To do so, we write this code: import numpy as np. Now we will create a one-dimensional array using the function array from numpy using this code. Array 1d equals np.array. Then we enter the data as a list. To find the shape of this array, we use the attribute shape, and the code can be written like this: array1d.shape. As you see, because this is a one-dimensional array, only one number is presented here, and it is equal to the number of data points. To find the dimension of this array, we use the attribute ndim, like this code: array1d.ndim. The output is 1, which indicates that this array has only one dimension. To display the size of the array, we use the attribute size like this: array1d.size, and the output is the number of the elements in the array, which is 6. Now let's practice these attributes on a two-dimensional array or a matrix. First, we create a 3x3 matrix using this code: array2d equals np.array. Then we enter the data as a nested list, where each row is a separate list. Now, to find the shape of this matrix, we again use the attribute shape: array2d.shape, and the output tells us that this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. To check the dimension of this matrix, we use the attribute ndim like this: array2d.ndim. The output is 2, which means that this array is a two-dimensional array. Finally, to check the size of the array, we use the attribute size: array2d.size. The output is 9, which indicated that this matrix or array contains 9 elements. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to get the shape, the dimension, and the size of a numpy array or matrix using the numpy library in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.